Okay, so what we have here is the Ingersoll Rand 750 250. It'll actually build up to 350, but I got a governor on there so it'll stop at 250. Just a real quick walk around. This has the 903 Cummins engine in it, non-turboed. I don't remember, 350, 400 horsepower, something like that. I lost a battery, so I just got a car battery in there right now to get it started. But it's the big rotary vane, 2-stage, high pressure setup. I just have an 1.25 inch on it right now. Just I think that was the last size hose I was using. Just something to control it as well. I think that hour meter is reading almost 3,600 hours. I don't recall if that one works or not. I've only put about probably 100 to 200 hours on it. It's a good compressor though. Runs good. Okay, so let's get them fired up. We'll turn the batteries on. Make sure that's in start there. She's loud, so that is the one downfall with these old compressors, is they are loud.